Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at evaluating expressions. We start with a variable expression and then we're given a value for that variable. Every place that we have that variable, we replace it with the new value and then simplify using order of operations. So 8 plus 5x, and we want to evaluate that for x equals -7. So we have an x, that's our variable. I put it in red so we can see where it is. And then I'm going to replace that with -7. So 8 plus 5x becomes 8 plus 5 times -7. And that gives us -27. B, 3x squared for x equals -1. So again, the variable is in red. And whenever our x has things like a negative sign or a fraction, we always want to put it in parentheses when we plug it in. So I'm going to put 3 times in parentheses -1 squared, so that A, it doesn't look like 3 minus 1 squared, and B, we remember that we're squaring -1, and -1 squared is +1. So 3 times 1 is 3. We might have more than one, in our case y, in our expression. Y minus 2y squared for y equals -3. So again, we have two of our y's. Both of them have to be replaced with -3. So -3 minus 2 times -3 squared. Again, remember, you're squaring the entire -3. -3 squared is 9. And then -3 minus 18 becomes -21. X squared minus x squared for x equals 3. So again, we have two x's in here. Both of them get replaced by 3. Order of operations, remember to square both of our 3 and our -3's, and then make sure you have the correct signs there. -3 squared is -9. -3 squared is 9. So -9 minus 9 is -18. We might have more than one variable. 2L plus 2W, we want to evaluate that for L equals 3 and W equals 4. So I'm going to use two different colors, one to represent L, one to represent W. Make sure that you plug them into the correct spot. So 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4, that's 6 plus 8, which is 14. And here's our last example. X squared plus 2xy minus 3x plus 1 for x equals 1, y equals -1. So we have two variables. I'm going to put the x's in red. There's only one y. I'm going to put it in blue. So you get 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 1 minus 3 times 1 plus 1. That ends up being 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 1, which gives us -3. So just be really careful. Make sure all of your variables get replaced by the numbers, and make sure to just be careful of your negative signs and follow order of operations. So read through the book, try out the homework, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.